All right, today we're checking out this new gazebo that we got from Amazon. I wanted to do a quick video reviewing it and telling you a little bit about it, and if you can do it yourself, and if it's worth the price you pay. But I'll go ahead and I'll turn the camera around right now so you guys can check it out, and I'll show you a little bit about it and show you a couple of the features and what I like about it. All right, so we got this new canopy right here from Amazon. This is a 12 by 12. Comes in these 3 boxes. I just opened these up. I got all the nuts and bolts right here, instructions right there. Start off with these posts. Really shouldn't be too hard, follow the instructions, but I'll go ahead and I'll get this put together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here we have the gazebo. First things before I forget, on the edge you can add to it. There is a spot there where you can slide more panels in if you decide to get more, but this is it. It's 12 by 12 and it has to mount something to something solid, because freestanding by itself it's not strong enough to do that. But as long as you're mounted to something, it's good to go. And I put this together myself. I'd recommend having someone else help you when you go to put the legs on. That was kind of hard, but yeah, just uses these little brackets and screws and goes together real easy, real simple. I got the vinyl or plastic tops. The pieces that go in between each panel are metal. Make sure you remove the wrapping on it before sliding those in, and they are directional, so you want to pay attention to that. But it's nice and solid, easy to install, and provides a ton of shade. And out here where this bar is right here, it's about 6 foot. I'm gonna say about 6'4". So I mean, you can add a 4x4 down here if you want, or a little concrete patio or something to make it better. But definitely a good product. If you're looking for one of these, I would recommend this one.